If you're tired of jumping between different AI video generators, uploading, downloading, paying for multiple subscriptions, stop. CapCut just changed the game for AI creators. They've dropped in Sora 2 and Google's Veo 3.1 directly into the desktop app, and I'm going to show you exactly where to find it and how to use it right now. Once you have your project open in the CapCut desktop app, you'll see your usual import options, but look right below that. You've got AI Media. Click that and then select AI Video. This is your new AI video workspace right inside your editor. It's super simple. First, you have your two main tabs at the top, text to video and image to video. Text to video is pretty straightforward. You just write a prompt. Image to video is what we'll use to animate a still image. Right below that, you have your prompt box. This is where you'll describe the scene you want. But this is the most important part, the model dropdown. When you click this, you get the full list of AI models CapCut has integrated. You've got your older models, but look, right here, Sora 2 and Veo 3.0 and Veo 3.1. This is where you choose your engine. Finally, you've got your basic settings. You can pick your duration, and with Sora 2, we can go up to 12 seconds. And your aspect ratio, so you can generate for YouTube, TikTok, whatever you need. And one last thing to notice, this does use a credit system. You can see right here how many credits you have left and how many each generation will cost. Okay, so you know where everything is. Let's actually create something. We'll start with a text-to-video prompt using Sora 2. For the prompt, I'm going to paste in a very descriptive cinematic one to see what it's really capable of. I'm asking for an aerial drone shot, so a pretty complex scene. Let's check the settings. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9 for this video, and I'll set the duration to 8 seconds. Wow, okay, so that's pretty incredible. Look at the motion. It's that smooth, slow drone push-in, just like we asked. It understood golden hour glow and long shadows perfectly. And again, this was all done right here inside the editor. Now the best part, the clip is finished and it's already in my media bin. And just like that, it's part of my project. I can add my titles, my music, my color grades. No downloading, no re-uploading. That's the workflow change I was talking about. So you just saw how fast that was. But now you're probably thinking, okay, but what do I actually use this for? Think about your videos. How many times have you needed a specific shot? Like a futuristic city skyline, or a microscopic view of DNA, or a drone flying over snow. You can create custom high-end cinematic B-roll that is perfectly tailored to what you're talking about in seconds. Also, as an editor, the worst part of a project is staring at a blank timeline. You can now create an entire animated storyboard. Generate 10 different 4-second clips, drag them onto your timeline, and you have a visual rough cut to build around. The AI isn't replacing you as the editor. It's becoming your 24/7 creative assistant that builds all the raw materials for you. So go update your CapCut app and start experimenting. And hey, if you don't have CapCut Pro yet to get access to all these new models, I've put a link in the description for you. It'll get you a week free trial so you can test this entire workflow for yourself. See you in the next video.